Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Dave coming from the paddock here in Southern Maryland. It's only a few minutes after my Tupperware video. um, Weird video warning. Like a lot of mine aren't weird, but this one's weird. So, I don't know if you ever watched your grandparents fuddle around with a iPhone or online banking or online credit card or just websites or laptops. I just wonder, when does technology run by a person? I do. I watched my mother-in-law over the last 30 years. I wonder, when will technology run by me and get ahead of me, and then I'm chasing it? Well, and for me, I think the answer is artificial intelligence, AI. So I Mark Welsh Piper posted that kind of weird video about the AI trading bot. And so I asked him, and he asked me kind of my opinion and what I thought of it. And he was thinking about doing it. And I thought at first, that's insane. But I said, you know what? I'm going to go look into it. And so I asked him the product he was looking at, and I went and looked at it. I pulled up the website. In fact, it's right there. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. I'm going to spin you around and show it to you. But I've decided to take the leap. For me, it's really not a huge investment. So I'm going to make the upfront investment, spend 3 months in a test. I'll walk you through it along with me. I'm going to walk you through what I've done, and then I'll bring you along for the ride. The question is, can a publicly available AI trading bot really make you money? I am skeptical at best. I will say that. But rather than review a movie I have not seen, I decided to go watch the movie. So I've done it. I've purchased it. I'm done. My installation is scheduled. It's not for 2 weeks out. They're pretty busy. And then, and I guess probably about 2.5 weeks, I will begin. So let's say 2 weeks from Monday, I should be up and running, and money should be moved over, and I'll walk you. You can come with my adventure on me, but I refuse to let AI get the best of me. I refuse to let AI get ahead of me. So this is one way. Hang on, I got a mower. So I decided to jump in because this really combines a couple things. I love tech, I love staying on top of it, and I love investing, and I like to have multiple streams of income. So I'm currently running 2 streams of market-based income, my day trading and futures, and now I'm running that test with the Johnny Bravo option system and doing quite well on both of those. I'd like to create a third leg, and if this AI bot can be my third leg of trading and have 3 sources of revenue from the market, that would be really, really great. I'm skeptical, and if I end up throwing the money away and deciding that the AI bot is really just a gimmick, which is entirely possible, um, so be it. But one of my life investment, my life coach said, my business life coach said, know your upside, know your downside, and you can live with the downside. And the downside here would be, it doesn't make money, and I lose my initial investment, and I can live with that downside. So I'm going to spin you around. I'm going to walk you through it a little bit on the screen, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I've done and what I purchased. All right, guys, so the system is called Galileo FX. And let's see if I can zoom in on the actual URL. I've got it for you written down somewhere else, but there's the actual URL, store.galileofx.com. All right, so that's what you're looking at right now. Let's see if I can get you sized back up. Okay, so this is the system, or I mean the system. What an idiot! The front. This is the landing page, the front page. Um, I mean, it really. So I'm really just going to take you to the pricing side of it. And you can see here there are 3 options. There's installation options, there's settings and support options. There's an ROI calculator. Ask you questions about you. And so I'm going to take you through my answers. So I like to make quick short-term gains. I like high risk. I'm well versed in trading. How much time are you willing to spend on this? A lot. I'm willing to invest significant time. What is your initial investment in the trading account? I'll put 10 grand. How important it is to have control over the trading bot? I'll say somewhat important. You have a preferred trading style? I like day trading. How long do I plan to use it? I'll use it more than 2 years if it works. Are you willing to learn more about trading? I am. I'm open to learning. How important is customer support to me? I'd say moderately. I hope to never talk to him. I got to type in my name. I got to type in my email. So you're going to see this later, but this is $17,800 a month is what they're claiming my ROI could be. All right, so I'm going to stop you here and show you what I've done. So the other thing I want to show you is up here, this performance tab. It shows you kind of these are not premium, but these are presets and the performance that they claim each preset is done. So like they're saying this Vigilant Trend Voyager setting is up 163 since June. This Lunar Stride is up 685% since 2nd of May. And they kind of list today's top choice. Impulse Vector Surge is up 71%. Looks like, well, it might be year to date. I don't really know. Then I have no idea. Is this marketing bullshit or is this just made up? I don't know. But Starband Swing is another one. Stellar Momentum is another one. They've got just many of them listed. All right. Best of the best class. Turbo Nova Boost 199%. Impulse Vector Surge. So anyway, that's just something else I want to show you. They have all these presets. You can set the system up. Just copy these settings and you will get this performance is what they're trying to say. All right, guys, so here's my sheet. I just put this together so it's more readable for you. So it's the Galileo FX system. It is an Italian company. It is based and run out of Italy. In fact, a lot of the materials are written in Italian. They've been recently approved to operate in the U.S. markets, both themselves and their bots. Here's their official website, store.galileofx.com. So you have a series of decisions that I had to go through. The first one is what level do I buy? And there are 3. There's Galileo FX Personal, Plus, and Pro. And it's kind of gimmicky. It's really to say if you buy the Personal, you're limited to a max of $1,000 per month profit, and it costs $441. The Plus level 2 is limited to a max profit of $5,000 per month, costs you $882. And the Galileo FX Pro is an unlimited profit per month for $993. These are one-time purchase. The second decision is, do you purchase installation support? And there are 2 types, PC or laptop only, and that's $219. There's the laptop and mobile phone installation, that's $330. I initially tried to install it myself. I went back and purchased this, so I purchased this $330. The third decision is purchase of AI bot presets and what they call premium settings. But really what it is the presets for your bots. And then you want VIP support. If you want your premium settings with no support, it's $1,981. If you want your presets or your premium settings. With 3 months of VICP support, it's $2,180. So here's what I did. These are my choices. I went with Galileo FX Pro, the unlimited profit per month, $993. I went with laptop and mobile phone support installation for $330. I bought the premium settings. I did not buy the support for $1,981. You get sort of this 20% purchase discount, which gets me $661 back. So my total upfront investment in this little experiment is $2,643. And they are claiming my ROI could be as much as $17,800 a month. I think I'm worried that this is kind of gimmicky, but it's one of the better ones I saw on the internet. I don't know if I have any belief in this whatsoever, but that is what I have done. All right, so here are the premium settings. There are 6 if you buy the premium settings package, which I showed you, which was the $1,981. These are the 6 presets you come as. You can't just download them, you got to buy them. So FX is foreign exchange. So clearly this system is set up as a foreign exchange trading bot. The first 4 they list are all what we call exchange crosses. Some people call them pairing. But the first one is the Euro US dollar pairing. The second one is the Canadian dollar to US pairing. The third is the British pound to US dollar pairing. The fourth is the Swiss franc to the US dollar pairing, or crosses if you're an FX trader. Then they list gold and silver, and I don't know. There's not a whole lot of information on it, so I don't know what the gold one is based upon. It could either be like gold futures, which symbol is /GC, or it could be the Spider Gold Trust GLD. This is one of the largest gold funds in the world. It's available. You go on any trading platform and type GLD as the ticker symbol, and you'll bring up this. Silver, again, I'm not sure. Could be the silver futures, which its symbol is /SI, or it could be the iShares Silver Trust, whose ticker symbol is SLV. It's the largest silver fund in the world. Anyway, so these are the 6 premium settings you get if you buy that package. So again, that package was on my pricing list. Premium settings, sorry, you can't see it. Premium settings, no VIP support, $1,981. So typically when you buy these kind of software kits, especially ones that do things for you, setting them up, the parameters and the values of the parameters, like if there's 500 settings to this bot, what are the top 10 that really control its function? I don't know that. And then even if I did know the top 10 or 20, what should the values be set to make it run well? I don't know that either. So that's why I chose the premium settings package. And you can tell by the pricing that it's worth far more to them on how to set it up than the system itself. I mean, you can tell that right here. So the system itself, the unlimited profit was $900, but these packages for premium $1,981. So over twice as much money for the setup than for the package itself. So I find that to be generally true. If you don't know how to set up and run the system, it's pretty much worthless. So that's why I did it. All right, guys, well, I'm going to shut up and go ahead and post this. Like I said, it's a weird video, but I want to take you through it. I'm always talking about, like the other day, don't talk about what you're going to do. Talk about what you've done or you're doing. I wanted to show you how I follow that. I follow that rule as much as I can. So I've taken the plunge. I've bought an AI trading bot. I bought its setup procedures. I bought its installation. The installation is today's Thursday, so it's not quite 2 weeks out. It's Tuesday, the week after next. I'll be in Wyoming. It'll be done on Tuesday. I imagine it'll take a day or 2 after that to get the system up, and then my trading account that's linked to it funded. So let's say 2 weeks from this coming Monday, we'll start using the system. So I won't have many updates between now and 2 weeks from now. You probably won't hear about it again until until about 2 weeks from today. After the installation is done, I'll tell you how that went, and then I'll tell you when I'm up and ready and funded and starting to get the bots turned on. That's it. I hope you find it kind of interesting. I do. Like I said, I'm in it's $2,643. If I lose $2,650 to this experiment, so be it. I don't advise that for everybody, but I just thought I'd take you along. Maybe we can all become a little bit smarter about AI and AI trading bots together over the next 3-4 months. So by by New Year's, by the middle of January, we should know if this thing's real or not. That's it, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.